What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. Today we're going to mixed up a little bit of this, a little bit of election professional, ADJ and everything, Chauvet, everything like that. So today we're going to look at the election professional ZCCL 360i. Yeah. Enjoy. So yeah, guys, that was the election professional ZCL 360i. So yeah, guys, if you like this, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. So you will guys will not miss any of my videos. Let's get it up to 30. So yeah, let's get up to 30. So let's come on, guys. We have 28. Let's get it to 12 more. If you guys like it, yeah, I already said it. Please give it a like and subscribe. Because when you subscribe, you're gonna see a bell sign right here, so you can get notified when I when I upload a new video, so you won't miss any of my videos. So yeah. Don't forget to follow me on Messenger and WhatsApp, which is Eric Mir Ventura. So you could send me you could send me your water bottle flips, your ADJ lights, your election professional lights, and pretty much the Chauvet lights. So yeah, guys, until next time, I will see you guys tomorrow. I'm Firestrack, and stay fire. Peace. Yo.